In this instructional video, we're going to take a look at adding your styles to your bottom of your crate. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you can successfully open the bottom assembly to your crate. So I would not necessarily think of this being my bottom assembly, except that it's pictured here. So the reason it's named my 12-inch groove is because the same main file that I made my groove part in, my groove drawing in, is where I started my assembly. So that's why the assembly takes on that name. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to insert my styles. So if you haven't made those yet, you will need to make those. And again, you might find them as a drawing instead of a part, but it'll show up as a part for you to place in. So you will need 4 of those. So I have placed my 4 styles in, and I'm going to install them one at a time. So I'm going to start with a planer mate. So we are going to take the bottom of the style and make it planar with the top of the floor. I am then going to grab a hold of the style You know what? I think there's a step that I should have done first. Let me go back. Before I start, I am going to stand the style upright. I believe that makes life easier. Now I'm going to go planar the bottom of the floor, top of the floor, bottom of the style. So now that style is sitting in there somewhat correct, so I'm going to take that style and I am going to put it in this corner. So I'm going to use a mate fasten to do that. And I am going to choose this bottom point. And this bottom point. And don't worry if it looks odd at first, it should jump back into place. And now this style is connected. So now I'm ready to do the same process to another style. So I'm going to take this style and I am going to start by making it 90 degrees. And depending on where I'm placing this one, I will also want to rotate it another 90 degrees. And now the style is ready to come into place over here. So again, I am going to start with that planar mate, top of the floor, bottom of the style, and then I'm going to connect it to one of the rails with a fasten mate. And I shouldn't just say one of the rails. You want it to be the 12 because you need it to be on the inside, not the outside. We're going to go with this point. And this point. And something did not go quite right there. I'm not sure what this line. So I'm making sure I got that planar. I'm just going to do this fasten mate again. I want this point and this point. So that should give you an idea, and I'm going to repeat that process for the next to styles. So good luck and have fun. Shoot me pictures, email me if you have questions. It really is just practice. I'm going to be honest. I messed this video up 2 other times this morning before I could send it to you because I was clicking on the wrong items. So it does just take time and patience. Good luck. Your goal for today is to put the styles in.